In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your DJI Action 5 Pro. Now, it's really easy to do. We first just need to make sure we have the DJI app installed on our mobile, and you need to ensure that you've linked your DJI to the mobile app. Now, once you've linked your device, we're simply going to turn on the camera like so. You then need to go and open up the app on your phone, and we're going to click on Profile in the bottom right hand side. You can then scroll down and click on Settings, and make sure Auto Firmware Download via Wi-Fi is turned on and enabled. Now that's going to turn on automatic updates, so the next time there's an update available, it's going to automatically download that to your device. Now you can also download the update manually by coming back over to the previous window. You can then click About at the bottom of this page, click on Check for Firmware Updates. You could then give that a few seconds to load, and if there are any pending updates, it's going to go ahead and update that for you automatically. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.